If you need to download a Zapier invoice, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you need it for bookkeeping, tax records, or just to keep your documents organized, Zapier makes it pretty easy once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier and log into the account you want the invoice from. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Zapier keeps your account and billing options. From the menu that opens, click on Settings. This will take you into your account settings area, where you can manage different parts of your subscription and billing information. On the settings page, click on Billing and Usage. This section is where Zapier stores your plan details, payment history, and invoice information. After that, click on Billing Settings. Now you're in the exact area where your invoice records are stored. Next, scroll down until you find the Invoices section. Depending on how many billing cycles you've had, you may see one invoice or several invoice entries listed there. Find the invoice you want to download, then click on it. Zapier will open the invoice details, and from there, you can download it directly to your device. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've downloaded your Zapier invoice and saved it for your records. This is especially useful if you need proof of payment or want to stay organized for business expenses. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.